What's up, y'all? Sean, the Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge. This is asking us log base 2 of log base 4 of log base 1/2 of log base 256 of 4x is equal to -1. What is x? Okay, now this looks intimidating, but it's not bad at all as long as you remember what a logarithm is asking us. So, like, just to review that very quickly, if you have log base x of y equals z. This is asking us what power of x gives us y, and the answer is z. What power of x gives us the value of y, and that power is z, okay? So this is kind of everything, all these logs are kind of nested inside, so we need to kind of peel the onion, so to speak. So look in here, so the power of 2 that gives us all this stuff here on the inside is -1. Okay. So the power so basically, the power of 2 that gives us this is -1. So therefore, to find what this is on the inside, this is going to be 2 to this is equal to 2 to the -1. Okay. Which is 1/2. Okay. So now you go from there and you write down log base 4 of log base 1/2 log base 256 4x is equal to 1/2. Now we do this again. What power of, well, 1/2 is the power of 4 that gives us this stuff here. So therefore, 4 to the 1, this inside of here is equal to 4 to the 1/2 power. 4 to the 1/2 power, remember, is the same thing as the square root of 4, which is 2. So now we write that. Log base 1/2 of log base 256 of 4x equals 2. Okay? So now, what power, well, 1/2 to the second power gives us this stuff on the inside. 1/2 to the second power is 1/4, right? 1/2 times 1/2. So now we can write log base 256 4x is equal to 1/4. Okay? So now we're asking us, so saying 256 to the 1/4 power is equal to 4x. What is 256 to the fourth power? In other words, what is the fourth root of 256? What number of 4 times itself gives you 256? It's gonna be 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64 times 4 is 256. So that's gonna be 4. So therefore you have 4 equals 4x, and then therefore x is equal to 1. So as long as you remember how to do logarithms, it's not that bad. Okay, logarithms are just like the inverse of, exponents. Okay, let me know if you got that. That was pretty fun. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a good day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.